what is up, universe? It's Shaman Geronimo. Today I wanted to talk about why you're already fucking rich and it's just your denial of that keeps you poor. This is a simple mind shift that once you make it, there's no going back. You see, most poor people are programmed to look at what they don't have, to constantly be in a state of desire. And when you're looking at what you don't have, you're taking for granted what you do have. If you're in the United States or somewhere like that, you have more freedom than 80% of the world. Most of the world doesn't have running water like we do. Plumbing, electricity, definitely not Wi-Fi everywhere. You have all these things. You have all the things you need to have your foundation laid and you start building your success pyramid. But so many of us are programmed to be like, oh, I can't do that. Oh, we're gods. But it's like we're so powerful that we just manifest what we don't want because we focus on what we don't want. If any of you have been learning the law of attraction, that's the core of it. I don't think anyone that becomes successful doesn't make the shift. You have to make the shift in some way or another, or else you'll lose everything. That's why most people that win the lottery lose it all, because they haven't made the mind shift, because they don't look at what they do have, because they don't appreciate what's right in front of them. Especially looking at the scope of human history. This is like the richest time that we're aware of. All the other time periods we'd be, if it wasn't money, it was food, it was water. You had to go hunt for that. You had to battle a predator. There was all these things going on. And now everything's given to you in this day and age. And now what do? We take it for granted. So if you want to be wealthy, if you want to be rich, don't take your fucking life for granted. Don't take your fucking air conditioning for granted. Understand that you already are fucking rich. And with that will build the foundation to everything that you want, else you want in your life. Not only does it bring in the abundance, but in all different areas of your life, not just money, but relationships, everything. Because once you start appreciating more, once you start putting this into your energy, that's when things just are given to you, it seems, because it's what you're giving. You get what you give. And once you're giving from a state of wholeness, from appreciation, from all these higher angelic, emotions, that's when you get more of that. We're just, I know I was so scared to give up this side of me of, if I quit desiring it, then it won't come to me. If I don't focus on this, like, I'm going to get it. If I let go of that, then I'll never get it. But nothing could be further from the truth. So, hope you found this useful. Appreciate your goddamn life. You have everything you need. You're going to get everything that you want. Start appreciating everything right now. Hope you found this useful. Please like, subscribe, and I'll see you next time.